Noisy way in the beat. Yeah, bitch.
Non-believer, you pretend from the fool, but can't get back. Nice to leave ya, but I won't be a fool. Got to ask, do your words and gospel to you now? Keep me strong, choosing to carry on. I don't want too many lies on the wrong.
Set your pot tags on my shopping spree. Stay mad when I show them all the long receipts. They laugh that you crashed out like a comedy. I can't be a sugar mom, get a job for me. Said, well, let go, but let me live happily forever after more. I hope you learn something from a little fiasco. You played the game smart, letting little me pass go.
Pussy like weed, pussy like dog, pussy like cocaine, put it up your nose. Vibe on my clit, suck on my toes, 24 karat pussy drip like gold. On my leg wet, eat my booty from the front, milk mustache on your face when I come. Hit it from the bottom, hit it from the top. Vibe got a pussy 'cause the pussy type. Bust down middle part, badass bitch. You ain't never had pool 90 like this. Titties on your forehead, titties on your chin. Titties on titties with my big titty friends.
Do it sexy, do it sexy, do it.
Arch your back, put your ass into it. Squirt in your mouth, squirt on your bed. Coochie water autograph, sign says you red.
Bad bitch season, giving hoes motivation. I'm the reason. Oh, talking about she wanna meet up, told her meet me at the reach. Nigga probably got blue balls, I don't let him fuck, just tease. Get him out his money, I wouldn't even let him eat it. Thinking like you sip and drink, you niggas sip and NyQuil. Only time a nigga got power over me, he paying a light bill. Told myself I'll jump up with this nigga, but I might steal. Just like in my purse, I hope a hoe don't think I bite still. Hard as hell, I'm stamping it. None of these hoes can fuck with me. Try to bump these bitches' music, but bitches really suck to me. Boss my own self up, can't none of these niggas say they fuck with me. If music ain't work out for me, I still be somewhere hustling. Facts, I probably got rich off of fraud. Just a month before I blew up, me and T's was swiping cards. Why would I chase a nigga when niggas begging to get niggas me? Blow a nigga up for what? These niggas triple tax.
And I aim with God bodies like Rambo. Rest in peace, please light up a candle. This the life of a vandal, messed up, and I'm still in saline. Decided crime, so it wouldn't be me. Ooh. Diamond shining, driving silence, I don't mind it. I'm riding, flying private side by side with a pilot. Up in the sky and I'm wild and silent on him, and there's no chance. Cause we got bodies on bodies like just a slow jam. Said I'ma toot that ass, toot that ass. If you a ball player, I'm tryna recruit that ass. Said I taste like ice cream, he wanna scoop that ass. Turn around, do the brown, Uncle Luke that ass. Say, they shooting, I made you look. Turn around, I'ma show him how a dime look. I never met a bitch that could check me. I never let a broke nigga take me. I like my niggas black like a pussy. I'm starting on this jet, call me Jet Li. Never got the credit I deserve. If it wasn't for me, you bitches wouldn't be hurt. That gangsta shit, it turn me on. That tutu ain't gon' do that 90, get me out my thong. Don't get me wrong, I'm gangsta bitch, but I tell Bago get the switch. You know he pull up spanking shit. Please tell me if you love me. Hit some if you love me. Bet not put nobody but your ass above me. Classy princess when we slide through, know them niggas ain't on nothing. Super thick, you know I'm seeing pretty when that shit get ugly. Put it in my purse. He know I shoot first. He know who to call, make niggas fall like life alert. Come out clean when I do dirt, my shirt got nothing but chains on. Miss me with that bull before I have him put some wings on. Okay.
Couldn't believe what my eyes seen. Scrolling up on IG. Can't believe I heard a diss track. This hoe don't like me. Dog bitches doing all that barking but won't bite me. I ain't gotta lift a finger if she try to fight me. Yeah, my life a movie, daddy Spike Lee. Travis told me go and turn up, it's giving hype beats. Smoking millions like an exercise, so tread lightly. I was out in LV and LV tried to pipe me.
Non-believer,
You pretend from the fool, but can't get back. Nice to leave ya, but I won't be